Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial in which we will be making this part. So let's begin. At first, select File, click on New, select Part here, and then click OK. This part window will open. Now select here Front Plane, click on Sketch, select here Line, and at this center point, make a sketch like this. Make sure that you have selected mmgs for units. And now after completing this sketch, press the escape button and select the smart dimensioning tool. Specify the length of this line as 60 millimeter. Now specify the length of this line as 15, and now specify the length of this vertical line as 20, and then this vertical line as 35. This vertical line, select this vertical line and specify the length of this line as 10, and this horizontal line 15, and now we are only left with one vertical line and one horizontal line. So specify 60 here and this vertical line as 10 here. Now the sketch is fully defined and it is ready for the extrusion. Now go to Features, select Extruded Boss Base and increase the length of extrusion to 60 millimeter. Check this box here, and now change the background to plain white. Here specify some appearance. You can specify any appearance. Okay, so now select this face, click on Sketch, and here select this corner rectangle and make here a corner rectangle. Now press the escape button, and now let's define it. Select Smart Dimensioning tool. From this corner to this point of the rectangle, specify the distance as 15. Similarly, from this point to this point of the rectangle, specify the same distance. Now go to Features and select here Extruded Cut, and here we have to flip the direction. For that, click here and simply check this box, and this profile has been created. And now select this face and click on Sketch, select a circle and trace this yellow colored center point, and then make here a circle. Press the escape button. Now make another circle, trace the center point of the previous circle, select the Smart Dimensioning tool, and here specify the diameter of the circle as 30. Similarly, specify the diameter of this circle as 30, and specify the distance between these two circles as 45. Change this diameter to 20. Similarly, change this circle's diameter to 20 as well. Okay, so from this point to that center point of the circle, this should be 30. This is fine, and this vertical line to this center point, Set the distance as 20. Now go to features and select extrude cut, and here specify through all rather than blind, and then check this box. And now you can specify any other appearance if you like. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.